Okay, Paul here, and I got a short demo for the owner of this fan that I'm working on. And I've taken the fan apart to find out what was wrong with the wiring in it. And what I found was that's where the wire went in, and they are cut pretty low, the two wires. Actually, they seem to be bundled together there, so I'm not sure about that. But what I did find out, besides that, why the fan wasn't running is because of these wires here, which you can see broken. There's one there. It goes to there, and there's another one, and it's broken off to one of these. So there's the break broken off there, but also you probably can see where even the wires that are still connected there on the top edge are they're about to break. They've been sliced. Something sliced right down here, just across it, and it cut those wires. I don't know what did that, but wasn't a short. They're not burnt. They're just cut. So I can probably connect those, but to do so and to fix this, where I can run the new fan wires back to the stator, I have to get the stator out of this case. And it is really tight in there. And my issue with it is it's cast aluminum, and so it's soft metal. I mean, it's heavy, but it's soft metal, and it's wedged in there. You know, usually they have some space and they'll come out once you take the bolts out. This one would have to be banged out from here through one of these holes onto the bottom of the metal plate, the housing, from the bottom to tap it out, and I'm not sure how easy that's going to be. It may come right out, it may not come right out, it may take time, it may mess up some of these holes with me banging through there, especially if it slips off and hits the side of this soft metal casing. I just wanted to document the situation and explain it to you. So Dave, if you want me to continue with this, just let me know, and I can take a risk of taking it out, and I'm pretty sure if I can get it out, I can fix it. If I can't get it out, or if I get it out and I can't get it back in, you'll be right back to having just a display fan item. And you know, I can't guarantee that I can do anything with it because it is wedged in, and I don't know if that was banged in or pressed in with a high pressure press in the factory. The fan itself is a late 50s, early 60s. It was marked on here on the base with it's coming from Memphis, Tennessee there. You can see that. Okay. When Hunter fan moved from New York to Memphis, Tennessee was in 56, 57. So prior to that, it would have had the New York address. So it's a late 50s, early 60s fan. So I did find that out. But I just needed to get your okay before I continue with this. So I'm going to put this video up on YouTube and I'll contact you and you can check it out. Let me know what you think. And thank you for watching my video.